guys, you can see this is sieve, this spoon. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Ogala Mal. Thank you so much for coming. Keep on watching, keep on subscribing. So guys, I'm coming live from the village. It's so village. So today I want to show you my house tour, guys. So you can see this is my house made of banana leaf pots. Yeah. So you can see the way it looks like. So let me show you around. So you can see. So this is where I'm staying, guys. Then you can see we have napier grass here, maize plantation here. So you can see there is banana leaves all over. Yeah, you can see up there. So guys, you can see the way it's beautiful, the way it looks like. So inside my house. So let's go inside. So guys, inside my house, let me show you. I have blankets. I have this is my blanket. So let me show how I'm going to. So this blanket, when I want to sleep, I use this blanket to cover myself. So like this. Let me show you. Like this, I guess. So this is how I'm covering myself when I want to sleep at night. So when I wake up, I need to arrange my blanket very well like this. No, when I wake up, guys, I need to put my blankets outside. Watcha. Like that. Then the other thing, I have bucket here. So this bucket, I'm using it to shower. When I want to bath, I'm putting here water, then I shower. Then this is my jembe. So when I want to dig, when I want to prepare somewhere to plant maize or vegetable, I'm using this jembe.
Ona hii kitu kumbe imekuwa kwa hii mti. Tuka. Inainama ikikukinga ukoona.
Nilikuwa na jina ambuku.
Ndo ameitoa nishaki huyu. Enda kwa huko.
Hata mimi nilikuwa najua imetoka, nimechunguzanga siioni. Ndio hapa.
Ndio ishika remote ndio. Maana ndio. Ndio. Ndio.
So I'm putting my, Then in my house, inside my house, I have cups. You can see, I have cooking stick, roller, cups and plates. You can see this is sieve, this is spoon. So guys, then I have. So this is 5 liters, guys. You can see the way it looks like. So when I want to go to the river to fetch water, I'm using this 5 liters to go to fetch water. Then I use this water to wash utensils, then to bath, guys. So that's how I'm surviving here in the village. Then when I want this is my bedroom. This is my sitting room. It also acts like my bedroom. So when you want to eat, I usually sit here like this. Then I check my food. Then also when I want to sleep, I just sleep in here, guys. So So guys, so you can see I have napier grass around. Managu, guys, I have it here. So I don't know the specific name in English, but I know in Swahili it's called managu. Then this is pepe. So when you want to, some people when they want to eat their food or vegetable, they like to put their pepper. So this one is hot pepper. Yeah. Then you can see I have this is my bathroom. When I want to take, I usually come with the gear. Then I take my bath. Yeah. This is my toilet, guys. This toilet. Then this is also my another toilet, guys. Then you can see this is maize, arrowroots. Yeah. Then I have pumpkin leaves. When I want to cook my garlic, I usually come and take pumpkin leaves. It's here. Okay, yeah. Like this video, let me know. Drop a comment down there. Don't forget to watch my videos till the end. It's your girl Amal.